Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Herbies Garage. Man, it's a nice 70-degree day. I got my little KP Mini 150 and I thought I'd take her for a spin. Today we're trying out my new equipment. I got a new GoPro 9 and a media mod with a Purple Panda microphone, a different mount, a different helmet. So I'm going with a whole different setup. I got a different card for it, a bigger card. I was running a 64, now I'm running a 256, I think it is. So man, I'm trying a lot of different things on this. I'm hoping that it works out. I'm hoping the audio works out on it. I did a lot of research trying to find the best settings on this camera, and I set it up like well, I kind of went through a mixture, I'd say, of what people suggested, because you know, it's just like anything else, you know, people have their own opinion on the way things should be. So what's good for one person, trial and error. And I got a different mount down here at the bottom that holds the camera. It holds it away from the helmet a little bit and up higher where I can see it. Kind of nice. I don't know if you guys ever watch Cruise Man's Garage. He's Goldwing channel. I think he started off as a like a cruise ship kind of guy, but he got into gold wings, and he's got a real good channel. I like watching him, and that's where I got the idea for this. It's a double jointed mount for my camera, so I can adjust it in a couple different ways. I like it. I just got it, as a matter of fact. Boy, the little Mini's running good. You know, whenever I put them away for the winter, I put just a little bit of stuff in them, a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil. I've mentioned that before. And this is a carbureted bike. This has got a Nibby carburetor in it. Runs good. Sometimes I get a little bit too much and it'll smoke until it burns the Marvel Mystery Oil out of it. I'm wanting to see how well you guys can hear me as opposed to the mufflers, you know. I don't know why this little 150 is just a runner, man. It's almost like a race bike. Goodness gracious, it's got some power for a little bike. You know, when you don't ride them for a while, you forget about stuff like that. Well, I'll give you a little bit of a view of it. I like the bike, it's nice. Anyway, let me know what you think about the camera, the microphone, and the setup I have right now. If you guys are more familiar with camera setups, you think I need to do something, change the setting, let me know on that too. I appreciate it. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.